Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to you wherever you are. Today is Friday, February 1st, 2019. This is a midday stock market update. And let's start off looking at the market internals. And as you can see, the internal is still positive, but it is getting a little bit weak. It is not as strong as earlier in the week, so we could see a little bit of a pullback toward the close here, although right now the up-down volume is still positive at 1.1 on the New York Stock Exchange, 1.67 in the Nasdaq, and 1.55 in the Russell 2000. And the advanced decline is also positive, with the advancer running ahead of the decliner by 394 issue in the New York Stock Exchange, and in the Nasdaq is 458 in favor of the advancer. And you can see the cumulative tick is pretty much neutral, although it is positive, and right now it's sitting at somewhere around positive, plus 400 on the tick. And in the Nasdaq, it's also pretty positive, but again, relative to yesterday, is pretty low in terms of the magnitude. And looking at the Emini SP 500 ES, so you can see that it opened kind of open auction and came down from an IB low inside of the value area, yesterday's value area, and it pushes up, took out the overnight high and put in the IB high, and then came back in and test the the overnight high. So right now it's getting back into the value area from yesterday. Basically, I'm looking for a possibility to come back down and test the IB low, and possibly even break that IB low and come down and test the overnight low. So we're going to take a look at that a little bit more later on. Similarly, on the Nasdaq, you can see it's a little bit of a chop today. We trace through the pretty much the value area from yesterday, and right now it's below yesterday's value area and getting near the heading down toward the IB low. So that's the market internal, and a quick look at the ES and the NQ. So let's take a look at the ES daily chart here. As you can see that it's bumping up against this 2712.25 resistance, right? And we're looking at the possibility of this zone here, right? The 2700 and 2740. Maybe get a little bit of a chop, but since it just recently broke to this zone, so wouldn't be surprised to see it maybe do a little bit of a back testing inside of this this zone. This push up here, essentially a little bit of a low volume indentation in this composite. Right? So still looking for this thing eventually work itself up to this 2800. And if we take a look at the volume profile, and looking at the volume profile, you can see that it is inside of this zone here. Still trying to maybe do a little bit of a consolidation at the edge of this zone. Then maybe we see a push up to the 2800. And also the market profile, likewise, we do have some unfinished business above, and also there's a lot of single print that need to be resolved. So we'll probably see a little bit of that later on, probably into next week, because there's too many unresolved unfinished business down below. And it's pretty much in the vicinity where the price is currently at. Okay, so and looking at the today's profile, you can see that on the market profile, it's we could say this is a clean high here. but there is a pull low, and also yesterday's point of control that is waiting to be tagged. It did tag the pull high and also the IB high that was untouched, the IB high back in December 7th. Okay, so what I'm basically watching is the possibility of this thing come down to this IB low here. Okay, so it's 26.99. So and might even get below lower than that, and possibly come down and tag the yesterday's point of control. There is some single print below. Right, there are some single print below that also left waiting to be filled. So looking at the open interest, I wouldn't be surprised to see the SPY might be coming down to 269 and possibly pin around that figure. So if the market do pull back toward the close. Okay, so that is the update for today, and if you like this video, don't forget to click the thumbs up to let me know. And if you're not a subscriber to my YouTube channel, click the subscribe button and be sure to click on that bell icon so you will get notification whenever I do a live video such as this, or whenever I upload a new video on my channel. So thank you for watching, and have a great weekend, and good luck to you on your trading for the rest of the day.